first thing we're going to do is put all-purpose flour, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, or for 500 grams. Now I'm using baking powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Just a pinch of salt. I'm using a natural sweetener, 100 grams, and if anyone wants to know which one it is, it's called Alulis, a natural sweetener. Now I'm using some strawberry powder, 3 tablespoons of strawberry powder. Next I'm going to break 3 large eggs into using Greek yogurt. I'm doing 180 grams of Greek yogurt. I'm using unsalted butter, 80 grams, or you can use vegetable oil if you like. And last thing we're going to use is just a dash of vanilla essence. All that's left is just mix this all together till it's all combined. If you like me, I forget sometimes, add 120 grams of milk to this as well. And then you'll notice it's a lot easier to mix. Alright, now I transfer it to my tray. I like to bang in it to try to even it as much as I can. Now I'm going to cook it at 180 degrees for an hour, and I'll show you once I'm done. Now that our cake has been baked, I am just letting it cool down. You can have it now if you like to, or you can do the topping part that I'm going to show you how I make it. Alright, so first thing we're going to do, take 300 grams of cream, of the full fat cream, and then I'm going to add some of my strawberry powder onto it. So I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of the strawberry powder as well, 1 spoon of the sweetener. I'm going to add it to my hand mixer, put it in. I'm going to put it on speed 2 and let it mix for a little bit. After like 30 seconds, I add some 4 spoons of hazelnut spread to this. Then I'm going to put it on 3 and let it do for about 2 minutes. Now that I feel it's done, I'm just going to pour it all over the cake. Just like this. And then I like to leave it overnight, let it settle. You can leave it for a couple of hours if you feel like it. And that's it. And that's all done. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next video.